Om Shri Sai Ram. Myself, Guru Prasad, Maths teacher, Shri Satya Sai Lokaseva High School, Alike. First chapter, linear equations in one variable. In that, look at the examples. 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2x plus y plus 5. From this equation, from this example, we conclude that these are algebraic expressions. These are algebraic expressions. Phi x is an algebraic expression. In that, phi is called constant and x is called variable. In this, 2 is called constant, x is called variable. 3 is constant, x is variable, 2 is constant, x is variable. So, what do you mean by constant? Why it is called constant? Constant means it has a fixed value. The value of constant does not change. So, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, these are called constant. What is constant? It has a fixed numerical value. Now come to this, x is variable, y is variable. What is the meaning of variable? What is the difference between constant and variable? Variable means it has no fixed value. It has no fixed value because the value of x or y changes with the different numbers. So, variable means it has no fixed value. Now, look at the examples. 5x equal to 25, 2x minus 3 equal to 9, 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. There is any difference between these two? I already told this is a algebraic expression. What about this one? 5x equal to 25. 5x is a algebraic expression, 25 also a algebraic expression. 2x minus 3 is a algebraic expression, 9 also a algebraic expression in the same way. But in between two algebraic expressions there is a equal sign or equality sign. So these are called equations. These are called equations. Now we see the difference between algebraic expression and equation. What is the difference? 5x and 25. In between the algebraic expression there is an equal sign. So equality of two different algebraic expression is called equation. This is called equation, or we simply say in between two algebraic expressions there is a equal sign. In any equation, if we tell it is a equation, there is a left hand side. This is a equal, the left hand side, so it is called LHS or left hand side, and the right side is called right hand side. Therefore, it is a equation. What do you mean by equation? Equation means equality of two algebraic expression or equality of two different algebraic expression is called equation. Now look at the equation. How many variables are in this? First equation, only one variable, that is x. What about this one? This one also equation. How many variables are present? Only one. Look at the third example. It is also an equation. How many variables? Only one variable. So this is called equation in one variable. It is not only an equation, equation in one variable. Equation in one variable. If I write 5x minus 2y equal to 25, is a equation? Yes, it is also equation. Why it is called equation? Because equality of two different algebraic expression, equal symbol, left hand side, right hand side. So it is a equation. Now tell me, is a equation in one variable? No, because the variable one is x, another variable. How many variables are present in this equation? Two variables. So this is called equation in two variables. Now this chapter is equation in one variable. Now another given, linear equation. What is linear equation? It is a linear equation. It is also a linear equation. It is also a linear equation. Why it is called linear equation in one variable? Because find the degree of the equation. What is degree of the equation? Degree of the equation means find the power of the variable. Only one variable is present. Find the highest power of the variable, then we get the degree. It is called degree. So degree means for 5x equal to 25 is a equation in variable. Here variable is x. What is the degree? The degree of this equation is, the degree is x to the power 1. What is the power? Highest power is 1. So degree is 1. Now another one, 2x minus 3 equal to 9. What is the variable? X. What is the highest power? 1. So what is the degree? It is also 1. Highest degree of the equation is 1, means it is a linear equation in one variable. Very simple. Linear equation means the degree of the highest degree of the equation must be 1. Then it is called linear equations. I will write another example. 2x squared plus 2 equal to 0. Is a equation? Yes, it is also equation, but it is not linear equation. Find the degree. What is the degree? Highest power of the variable is 2x squared. So degree is 2. It is not a linear equation. The another name is given for this equation, that is quadratic equation. What is the name? Quadratic equation. It is not a linear equation. Another example, 3x cube plus 7 equal to 0. Is a equation? Yes, it is a equation. Is a linear? Is a quadratic equation? No. What is the highest power? 3. So what is the degree? Degree is 3. So it is called cubic equation. This is called cubic equation. So there are 3 types of equation: linear, quadratic and cubic. Now we will study in this chapter linear equations in one variable. So linear equation. Equation means the equal symbol, the right hand and left hand side. Then why it is called linear? The highest degree of the equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. One variable means it contains, the equation contains only one variable. First example, find the solution of 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Find the solution. Our aim to find the value of x. So find the solution means our aim to find the value of x. So we can write the linear equation is 2x minus 3 equal to 7. The given linear equation. Find the value of x. How to find the value of x? So 2x minus 3. 2x and 3, it is subtracted. 3 is subtracted from 2x. How to write the equation? We require the value of 2x. So 2x equal to minus 3 is transpose to right hand side. This is left hand side. This is the right hand side of the equation. In equation, 2 sides. One is left hand side, another one is right hand side. In left hand side, minus 3 is transposed to right hand side. In right hand side already 7 is given, so 7. Now minus 3 is transposed to right hand side. It becomes plus. Why? There is one rule. While transposing any terms from one side to another side, it means left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, the operation will change. It means the subtraction becomes addition, addition becomes subtraction, and someone says it is plus becomes minus or minus becomes plus. Addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. This is the rule. What is the rule? While transposing any terms from one side to another side, the subtraction becomes addition, addition becomes subtraction, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. So now 2x minus 3, there is a subtraction. So while transposing minus 3 to right hand side, it is already in left hand side, it transposing to right hand side, minus becomes plus, or we say minus becomes plus or subtraction becomes addition. So 7 plus 3, now it is 7 plus 3. Write 2x as it is equal to, what is 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3, it is 10. Now our aim to find the value of x. So x, Now transpose 2 into right hand side. 10, yes, tell me, 10 minus 2 or 10 plus 2 or 10 divided by 2. What is your answer? 2 and x is multiplied. Now it is in left hand side. It transposed to right hand side. It becomes, now there is a multiplication in left hand side. If it transpose to right hand side, the multiplication becomes a division. So 10 by 2. Be careful. Now this is a multiplication. It is transposed to right hand side. It becomes a division. So 10 by 2 equal to, what is 2 ones are 2 fives are. What is the value? X equal to 5 is the answer. Yes, this is the solution for the linear equation 2x minus 3. Just verify, is the solution? Is a solution for the linear equation? What is the value of x? X equal to 5. Write the equation 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now substitute the value of x in the equation. What is the value? 2. What is the value of x? X equal to 5. Substitute the value 2 into 5 minus 3 equal to 7. After multiplying 5 into 10 minus 3 equal to 7. What is 10 minus 3? 7. So 7 equal to 7. What do we get? The left hand side equal to right hand side. So x, the 5, the value of x, it is 5. It is the solution of 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Next problem is solve 2y plus 9 equal to 4. Our solution, our aim to find the value of y. So write as it is, what is given in the equation. This is a linear equation. It is given in the problem. So 2y plus 9 equal to 4. Our aim to find the value of y. Y is already multiplied with 2. So 2y. Plus 9, it's transposed to right hand side. It is a left hand side. Now plus 9 is in left hand side. Transposed to right hand side. It becomes, 4 is already given in the right hand side. Plus 9 becomes minus 9. So 4 minus 9. Addition becomes subtraction. 2y equal to 4 minus 9. This is the problem. The smaller number has positive sign. The greater number has negative sign. What to do? In this case, subtract smaller number from greater number. That is 9 minus 4 is 5. It is 5. Then add the sign of the greater number. Which one is the greater number? 9. What is the sign it consists? That is minus. So this is minus 5. I will explain you the sum of the basic things in the next class. Now write 2y equal to minus 5. So y equals to, why it is y equal to? Because we require the value of y. Find the value of y. So y equals to, first write the right hand side, that is minus 5. Transpose this 2 into right hand side. 2 and y is multiplied together. So 2 is transposed to left hand side to right hand side, it becomes division. So minus 5 by 2. So y equal to minus 5 by 2 is the answer. This is the solution for the equation. In the next class, we will discuss this type of problems. When two numbers having positive and negative sign, or different numbers with the different signs, the positive then negative sign, when multiplying or dividing, how to do that we can study in the next class. Some of the basic things we have to learn, that will be in the next class. I will tell you how to add, subtract, multiply, divide in some of the ideas. I have some ideas I will tell you in the next class. Sai Ram.